Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to tune in for a few things. So today was kind of a hectic day. If you remember in my get ready with me video, I confessed the fact that I hated my nose a lot and I actually wanted to get like Botox in my nose because there was like a bump that really was like an insecurity for me for years now, and I was too scared like to go to the actual like a rhinoplasty surgery and have my nose my bones like breaking and stuff like that. So today I actually I went for like a consultation with a doctor, and she was really sweet. And at the end of the appointment, she told me, "Well, do you want to do it today? Because I have some free time." And I told her yes. And so I had this procedure done like in my nose, and I'm really happy about the result, really happy. But I feel actually I fainted when I got after I got the injections done. I couldn't see anything, and my and my ears were like throbbing, and actually I fainted, and she gave me like water and sugar, and I feel better. It's just that I was too scared and too much anxiety, and this caused the fact that I had like a seizure. I'm going to insert the right word because I don't know what is it in English. But yes, today was a hectic day. Didn't expect to get this procedure done today, but yeah, today is kind of a different video. I just wanted to talk to you guys, and after I got my injections, I was planning to go to the store TOUS, which is actually a Spanish brand, and their like symbol is like this cute beer right here. And yeah, I got a ring, and I'm going to show you here the few items that I have from this brand. It's actually a Spanish brand. They have like some stores. They sell like bags, jewelry, perfumes as well, and it's really popular like in Spain. So first I have this mother of pearl bracelet, and I think the beer here is white gold. So yeah, really nice, really pretty. I also have this one here with pearls, and this beer also, which is gold. And I have this bangle, which is one of my favorite piece of jewelry, and it it holds so well. I have it like since 4 years now, and it looks just perfect. It's really steady and sturdy, and yeah, it's really solid sterling silver, and it has these beers all around, and I just love it. I love to stack it with my Pandora bracelets. And I have also this ring, which has a heart, a beer, and a star, and this was gifted by my boyfriend when we had our first Valentine's Day. So this is how it looks when it's on my finger, really pretty. And so I really wanted a ring to go with this bracelet, so I went there, and yeah, the sale associate was really nice, and I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I just don't want to damage the bag because it's just so pretty, and the packaging is like it's wonderful. I love it. They have different colors of packaging, so I choose pink, but they have like mint, gray, and yellow, so really cute, nice option. So here I have my receipt, and the ring sits in this box, which is a really beautiful box, so cute. Have some dangle here, and it looks like a macaroon box, you guys. It's just so pretty. So let me unbox with you guys, and this is how the ring looks like, and as you can see, there's beers everywhere. I just love it. It's really thick and sturdy, just really pretty. Let me get it to focus. Okay. And as you can see, it's kind of getting really good. I have to wash it to clean it because you can see the difference between this bracelet and the new ring that I have. I'm going to give it extra shine, and this is how the ring looks like. I like it because, you know, from far away you couldn't tell that it's bears, but yeah, it's a really nice detail. And I tried also like a few bracelets on at the store, and I really wanted to get more, but I got my surgery today, and the new collection of Pandora will be released like in a week, so I just have to be reasonable. I just wanted to go there to get a matching ring for my bangle. So yeah, this is how it looks. So here you go, guys. Thank you for listening to my rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of different from my Pandora ones, but I just wanted to tune in and show you this beautiful bag and packaging. And I know that TOUS is kind of a popular brand worldwide, so just wanted to present to you guys my second favorite jewelry brand. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.